Guys, if you've enjoyed that video, come and join me on Instagram. It's at the Neil Henry. There are loads of fake accounts going around at the moment. The only one that is mine is at the Neil Henry. It's got a little blue tick by it, so you'll know it's me. At the Neil Henry. All the other ones are nothing to do with me. I'm going to take it off private for the next 24 hours. So you've got 24 hours, and then I'm going to put it back on private, so you won't be able to follow me after that. As for this video, let's get every computer and every phone in the whole world farting. If you know someone that is in a library or somewhere where they shouldn't be making noise, send this video to them and make their phone fart. Have a great day, guys. You're all amazing.